Hey guys, welcome to the In Case You Missed It video for Friday, the 25th of September. Alright, so biology, here is what we did. Okay, so we actually reviewed the slides that Miss Barna had put together for Monday. That slides is accessible on Classroom. There's like a little narration for it. I'm gonna link the video underneath the do now here. Okay, you'll be able to see, this is the video that we watched in Classroom. Okay, then you're going to click the actual video, which is the recording now. And then the Nearpod Live link is what we did in class. What you're going to do is you're going to click the Nearpod in case you missed it. What is climate change? So what you're going to do is you're going to click in, click the link, and it's going to direct you to Nearpod, which is like a really cool interactive site that I really enjoy. And it looks like you can student pace yourself with the little arrows on the side. Let me drag out my box a little bit so you can see. Okay, those little arrows right here. All right, you're going to log in with Google because you're going to have to log in with Google with pretty much everything because it's your STEM account. So I'm going to do that on my end. Yes, continue. And it's going to have a piece where I think that you need to put in your name. Okay, so what is climate change? And we talked about that. Why is it climate changing and how can we address it? Okay, how human activity affects climate. Here are some examples of climate problems. Humans and the environment, and in this really cool collaboration post, you're going to add, move my screen down a smidge. It says share thoughts or images. You can add an answer to the question. This is just me typing. You can click post. This little post-it, or you can click the little images because we were talking about climate and the environment. Maybe I want to put in a search for climate and post a picture that's related to the question. Click save, click post. Okay. What ways the things that we actually do personally affect the environment? Post-its there. Explore the concept of climate change as well as policy approaches to address climate change. Okay. So this is a little 15-minute video. At the back end, what is climate change? Again, I'm going to read that. And here is the video that I mentioned. You're going to watch the video until the end, and that's about where we stopped off in live class. Okay? If you would like to continue and finish up, that's okay. You might be a little bit bored when I see you guys on Tuesday. Okay? You're going to answer some of the questions. That's what's going to be coming up if you are interested. Okay? Got it. All right, so that is what you missed. I will see you guys on Tuesday. Don't forget to log in into your classroom and check out the BioW3D2 for the upcoming Monday's assignment. All right, I will see you guys on Tuesday.